Hi and hello everyone. Welcome back to YouTube channel Maths Classes by Sandeep. In this video, we will do surface area and volume chapter number 13, in which we will do exercise 13.2. So now in this exercise, we will solve all questions related to cylinder's area. So in the first question, the curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of a height 14 centimeter is 88 centimeter square. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. Diameter means first of all you need to find out radius, and double of radius is diameter. So the curved surface area of right circular cylinder is 2 pi rh. So put the values here. Now area is given 88 and height is given here 14 centimeter. So radius, by cross multiplying these values, 88 into 7 upon 2 into 22 into 14, that is equal to 1 centimeter. Now diameter is double of radius and radius is half of diameter. So double of radius is 2 into 1, 2 centimeter. Therefore diameter of the base of the cylinder is 2 centimeter. Now move on to question number second. In this question, it is required to make a closed cylinder tank of height 1 meter and base diameter 140 centimeter from a metal sheet. How many square meters of the sheet are required for the same? Now see here, in cylindrical tank, 1 meter height, but diameter is given 140 centimeter. This is in centimeter. So we need to convert this 140 centimeter into meter. Now 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So we will convert this centimeter to meter by dividing by 100. It is 1.40 meter. So now radius of this closed cylinder is 1.40 upon 2, because it is diameter upon 2, that is equals to radius. So it is 0.7 meter. Now this is a closed cylinder. It means we need to find out total area of this closed cylinder. So that formula is 2 pi r into h plus r. Now put the values of this height and radius, and by multiplying and adding we find that area of this closed cylinder is 7.48 meter square. This is the area of closed cylinder where top and bottoms are also there. It is not open. So now sheet would be required as the same, which whatever is the area of this cylinder. So we need sheet also of 7.48 meter square. So now question number third. Now in this question number third, a metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. The inner diameter of a cross section is 4 centimeter, the outer diameter being 4.4 centimeter. Find its inner curved surface area, outer curved surface area, and total surface area. Metal pipe, it is like your water pipe. As you see, there is thickness around either 0.2 millimeter or 0.3 millimeter. It depends on the thickness of pipe. So now inner curved surface area, length, it means height. Length of this pipe, it means that is the height of this metal pipe, that is given here 77 centimeter long. Now inner diameter means that there is inner layer of that pipe where you if you water through pipe, it means from whatever area this water is going on, flowing on, it means that area is known as inner. So inner diameter of the metal pipe is 4 centimeter. So if diameter is 4, so radius would be 4 upon 2 centimeter. So curved surface area, inner curved surface area, that is equal to 2 pi RH. This small r mean this is the inner radius of that pipe. So by putting value here, radius is here 2 centimeter, and length mean height of this pipe, that is 77 centimeter. So after this we find the area 968 centimeter square. Now outer curved surface area, This is the outer layer of that pipe, where from wherever you hold the pipe, जहाँ से आप पाइप पकड़ते हैं, it means that is the outer area. So we need to find out that outer curved surface area. Length is same 77 centimeter, but now outer diameter given here 4.4 centimeter. It means outer radius is 4.4 upon 2, 2.2 centimeter. Now after that we can find out curved surface area, outer curved surface area, that is equal to 2 pi r h. This capital R, it means it representing outer radius of that metal pipe. 2 into 22 upon 7 into 2.2 into 77, that is equal to 1064.8 centimeter square. Now in the next part, in third part, we will find out the total surface area. Now in total surface area, we will add inner surface area and outer surface area, as well as we will find out the area of the thickness from bottom as well as from top. From top and bottom side, area of thickness of top of the metal pipe, that is equal to area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. As you did these type of question in your 7th and 8th class, it means you are finding area of the circular ground, circular park, and then you are finding the inner circular area. After that, subtracting both this, we find it the area of the path, area of circular path, that is the running path in a ground. So now here also we will find out area of outer circle minus area of inner circle, that is the area of thickness. So area of outer circle pi r square and inner circle minus pi r square. Capital R outer radius, small r that is inner radius. So put value here 22 upon 7 into 2.2 square minus 2 square. 2.2 is the outer radius and 2 is the inner radius. So after this we find it like a square minus b square. We are applying here a plus b into a minus b. This is the short method. If there are suppose bigger number, then you can find out square difference of square of two number by using this identity, a plus b into a minus b. So after that we find it area 2.64 centimeter square. This area of the one side, either top or bottom, because both side this is the same, it means we will multiply this 2.64 by 2. So area of the thickness of the metal pipe 2 into 2.64, 5.28 centimeter square. This is the area of top and bottom. Now thickness of pipe plus outer curved surface area plus inner curved surface area, then we will find out the total surface area of this metal pipe. So that is equal to 968 plus 1064.8 plus 5.28 equals to 2038.08 centimeter square. This is the total surface area. Now move on to the question number 4. In question number 4, the diameter of a roller is 84 centimeter and its length is 120 centimeter. It takes 500 complete revolutions to move once over to level a playground. Find the area of the playground in meter square. Now see roller. Roller, as you see in the cricket matches or in football matches, there is one roller moving around the ground and moving also pitch on over the pitch also to level that pitch, to level that ground. So here we need to find out the area of the playground. We will find out the area of the playground by the area of this ruler, and for this we need to find out area of curved surface area of the roller. Now diameter of the roller is given 84 centimeter. It means radius of this roller is 84 upon 2, 42 centimeter. Now length of this roller is given here 120 centimeter. It means This length is equals to height. So height of this roller is 120 centimeter. If you keep this roller perpendicular, it means that is the height. So now we will find out curved surface area of the roller by formula 2 pi rh. So put the values and then we will find out curved surface area, that is equal to 31,680 centimeter square, because here radius is 42 and height is 120 centimeter. Now this is in centimeter. So now area covered in one revolution, it means if you one rolling that roller, it means you are covering the curved surface area of the roller. So in 500 revolutions you will multiply 500 by the area of curved surface area of the roller. So 500 into 31,680, that is equals to 1 crore 58 lakh 40,000 centimeter square. Now we will convert this unit into meter because we need to find the area of the playground in meter square. Now see here, centimeter square, now you are converting in meter square. Centimeter square, it means you are multiplying centimeter 2 times. So here you will either multiply 100 2 times or you will divide by 100 2 times. But here we are converting centimeter to meter. It means from lower to higher unit. So in this case we need to divide. We need to divide by 100. But it is a square. Square means you are multiplying a self number 2 times. You are multiplying self 2 times. So 100 would be multiplied 2 times or 100 would be divided by 2 times. So here we are dividing by 100. So divide by 10,000. So now this equals to 1584 meter square. So area of the playground is 1584 meters square. Now in the question number 5, a cylindrical pillar is a 50 centimeter in diameter and 3.5 meter in height. Again here units are different. So once unit you need to convert into same, either centimeter into meter or meter into centimeter. Find the cost of painting the curved surface area of the pillar at the rate of rupee 12.50 per meter square. So now diameter of the pillar is 50 centimeter. It means radius of this pillar is 50 upon 2, 25 centimeter. Height is given here 3.5 meter. So convert this unit 3.5 meter into centimeter, 3.5 into 100, 350 centimeter. Now curved surface area of the pillar 2 pi rh. Put the values of radius and height. 25 into 350 into 2 into 22 upon 7. So that is equals to 55,000 centimeter square. Again rate of the painting is 12.50 per meter square, but here we find this area in centimeter. So convert this centimeter square into meter square, again divide by 10,000. So now curved surface area of this pillar is 5.5 meter square. Now multiply this area by rate of painting. Rate of painting is rupee 12 and 50 paisa. It means 12.50 per meter square. So cost of the painting of pillar is curved surface area into rate of painting equals to 5.5 into 12.50, and that is equals to rupees 68.75. Therefore cost of the painting of the pillar is rupees 68 and 75 paise. Now move on to the question number 6. Now in question number 6, curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is 4.4 meter square. If the radius of the base of the cylinder is 0.7 meter, find its height. It's very simple. Curved surface area is equals to 2 pi rh, and this area is also given here 4.4, and radius of this given 0.7 meter. So we need to find out height. Height equal to 4.4 into 7 upon 2 into 22 into 0.7, that is equals to 1 meter. So height of the cylinder is 1 meter. Now move on to question number 7. The inner diameter of a circular valve is 3.5 meter. It is 10 meter deep. Now you need to find out its inner curved surface area, the cost of plastering this curved surface area at the rate of rupee 40 per meter square. So this valve mean this is a कुआं. अब उसका depth, it means deep, it is deep of 10 meter, it means depth of that is 10 meter and diameter is 3.5 meter. So radius of this would be 3.5 upon 2, 1.75 meter. This is the radius of the valve. Now depth means this is the height of the valve, that is equals to 10 meter. So now curved surface area, inner curved surface area, formula very simple, 2 pi rh. Put the values, 2 into 22 upon 7 into 3.5 upon 2 into 10 equals to 110 meters square. Now cost of the plastering. So rate of this is 40 rupee 40 per meter square, but here area is 110 meter square. It means to find out cost of plastering, we will multiply the inner curved surface area by the rate of plastering, 110 into 40, that is equals to rupee 4400. So cost of the plastering of the inner side of the valve is rupee 4400. Now move on to question number 8. In question number 8, in a hot water heating system, there is a cylindrical pipe of length 28 meter and diameter 5 centimeter. Find the total radiating surface in the system. Water heating system like your geyser. This is a cylindrical pipe from wherever this water flows. जहाँ से वो पानी बहता है, यानी cylindrical pipe, and length of that cylindrical pipe is 28 meter and diameter is 5 meter. So now radiating surface in the system, that it means inner surface area of that cylindrical pipe as your geyser. In that geyser there is a long pipe from which that water flows. Now length, it means height of that cylindrical pipe is equal to 28 meter and diameter of the cylindrical pipe 5 centimeter. So radius of this 5 upon 2, 2.5 centimeter. Convert into meter, 2.5 upon 100, that is equal to 0.025 meter. Now inner curved surface area is 2 pi rh. So put values here, 2 into 22 upon 7 into 0.025 into 28, that is equal to 44 into 0.025 into 4 equals to 4.4 meter square. So this is the inner curved surface area. It means this is the radiating surface in that water heating system. So total radiating surface is in this system is 4.4 meter square. Like your geysers, in which there is one radiating surface in which water get hot. Now move on to question number 9. Here you need to find out the lateral or curved surface area of a closed cylindrical petrol storage tank that is 4.2 meter in diameter and 4.5 meter high. It means there is a petrol storage tank. This is the closed. This is closed because you know this is a flammable petrol. So now diameter of the cylindrical petrol storage tank is 4.2 meter. So radius is 4.2 upon 2, 2.1 meter. Now this is a closed cylinder where you need to storage petrol. पेट्रोल जैसे इससे डिसअपियर हो जाता, काफ़ी टाइम रखेंगे then it will be disappear. So it is closed petrol tank. So now curved surface area of the cylindrical petrol storage tank is equals to 2 pi RH, because you need to find out here the lateral or curved surface area. Lateral means, as I told you earlier in this, cube and cuboid. Like your room, this is a cuboidal shape, where lateral surface, it means walls of that room. So here curved surface here is 2 pi RH. Put values here, and then you will find out 59.4 meter square, that is the area of curved surface area. So curved surface area of the petrol storage tank is 59.4 meter square. Now in the second part, here we need to find out how much steel was actually used if 1 by 12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank. See here how much steel. So suppose total steel we are using, in which 1 by 12 is wasted. So total area of the cylindrical tank is equal to 2 pi r into h plus r. This is the total surface area, because this is a closed surface area. In the previous part we find curved surface area. Now we need to find out total surface area. So put value here, 2 into 22 upon 7 into 2.1 into 4.5 plus 2.1. After adding and multiplying, we get 87.12 meter square. This is the area of that cylindrical tank. Now see how much we required steel. Let it be X. Let steel used in making the tank be X meter square. Now 1 by 12 of the steel actually used was wasted. It means 1 by 12 part of that steel was waste. So wastage of steel equal to 1 upon 12 of X, that is X upon 12. So now X, it means this is the steel we are using, equal to X upon 12 plus 87.12. 87.12, that is the area of that tank. Means total steel we have taken, and area of the tank, that is the area of steel. Now one part, it means part 1 by 12, that is the waste. So that is X upon 12. So value of X is here, X minus X upon 12 equal to 87.12. And after cross multiplying, adding and subtracting, we find out value of X, that is equals to 95.04 meter square. So actual used steel was 95.04 meter square, because 1 by 12 part of that was wasted, and area of this tank was here 87.12 meter square. So we used here actual steel 95.04 meter square. Now move on to next question number 10. In the question number 10, frame of a lampshade. It is to be covered with a decorative cloth. The frame has a base diameter of 20 cm and height of 30 cm. A margin of 2.5 cm is to be given for holding it over the top and bottom of the frame. Find how much cloth is required for covering lampshade. Now see, in the last exercise, as we did one question of sweet box, their top was covering little bit part, that was the extra. Same here, there were holding. Mean, if you hold that decorative cloth little bit on the top and little bit on the bottom of that frame, so that is the extra part. So the decorative cloth would also be in cylindrical shape as lampshade, because you are covering that lampshade, you are wrapping that lampshade completely. So length, it means height of the cloth, length height of the cloth equal to height of lampshade, that is the height of lampshade, plus 2.5 centimeter on the top plus 2.5 centimeter on the bottom. This is the margin, mean this is the extra part which you kept. So here total length of the cloth is 30 plus 2.5 plus 2.5 is equal to 35 centimeter. Now, base diameter of the frame of the lampshade, that is here 20 centimeter. It means radius of the lampshade is 20 upon to 10 centimeter. Now you need to find out here only curved surface area. So curved surface area, that is equal to area of that decorative cloth. So equals to 2 pi RH. Put the values here. 2 into 22 upon 7. Radius is 10 and height is here 35 centimeter, including margin of the cloth. So 44 into 10 into 5, that is equals to 2200 centimeter square. So area of decorative cloth covering the lampshade is 2200 centimeter square. Now move on to next question. Question number 11. In question number 11, the students of a Vidyalaya were asked to participate in a competition for making and decorating pen holders in the shape of a cylinder. Pen holder like your cup, that is in the shape of your cylinder, with a base using cardboard. Now pen holder need to make using cardboard, a very flexible cardboard. The each pen holder was to be radius 3 centimeter and height 10.5 centimeter. It means shape of that cylinder, radius of that is 3 centimeter and height is 10.5 centimeter. Now this pen holder, this is open with top, यानी top से ही खुला ही है. Now we will find out the curved surface area and bottom surface area. Now, the Vidyalaya was to supply the competitor with cardboard. If there were 35 competitors, how much cardboard were required to be bought for the competitor? Now see, length, it means height of the pen holder, that is 10.5 centimeter. Radius of the pen holder is 3 centimeter. Now, area of pen holder, that is curved surface area of the pen holder plus base area, because it is open at the top. ऊपर से ये ओपन है, वहीं से हम पेन उसके अंदर रखेंगे. सो वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट हियर कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द पेन होल्डर प्लस बेस एरिया. कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया 2 pi RH and base area pi R square. So put value here, 2 into 22 upon 7 into radius is 3 and height is 10.5 plus 22 upon 7 into 3 square, because radius is 3 centimeter. By adding, we find out the total surface area of this pen holder, that is 1584 upon 7 centimeter square. Now this is the area of one pen holder. Now that Vidyalaya is supplying this to competitor with cardboard. So there were 35 competitors. Each competitor will make one cardboard. It means total cardboard required is 35 competitors into one pan holder's area. It means one cylindrical area of pan holder. So multiply this 1584 upon 7 into 35, that is equals to 7920 centimeter square. It means area of the cardboard that required by the competitor, 35 competitors, is 7920 centimeter square. So thank you everyone for watching this channel. If you liked it, then like it and share to others.